Hey guys, this is Maruf Hasan and welcome back to another new tutorial. And today I will explain you how to place text behind the object. So if you are new into my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more update. And without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop. I will prefer open this Photoshop. And now open the photo. I open this photo, and first step is the select this building perfectly. And that's why go to the quick selection tool and select it. I select only this sky, and then I invert that and select that, and then automatically select that building. Okay, it's very easy. Perfectly select the building. Okay, and guys, if you want to connect it with me, you can follow me on Instagram and also Facebook, link in the description below. And you can follow our Facebook page, link in the description also. Guys, we select the sky, and now we press the Ctrl Shift and I, and it automatically inverts it. And now go to the refined and new layer, select new layer with layer mask, and then OK, and 8 and now it separate the background. And now we take a new layer and select the text layer and simply type here city ity, and now we increase its size 72. Now more increase it. Okay, now we change the font. We select the Arial rounded empty bold. We select. Okay, we select it, and now change its color. We select the dark pink color, and now we customize that city's size. Okay, we want to increase its size more. Okay, like this. that's it. It's perfect. Now we want to more attractive this picture, that's why apply a filter on this photo. That's why go to the photo filter and we apply sepia filter and guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video you can share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.